In this episode, you will see how animal beds are made. We have visited a modern textile factory. Dogs sleep for 12 to 14 hours a day. An adequate bed can help them regenerate better. A well-made bed is a guarantee of the physical health and mental comfort of our pets. Bartex, a modern textile factory with many eco-friendly solutions to be found in its manufacturing processes, is happy to face this challenge.
Jesteśmy firmą rodzinną z 35-letnim
We're a family-owned company with 35 years of experience. We're a medium enterprise and the biggest manufacturer of dog beds in Europe. We manufacture products to sleep on for everyone, comfortable pillows for people, and comfortable beds for our pets. Bartex manufactures beds under its own brand, but it's also experiencing considerable growth in regard to cooperation with other companies. The manufacturer from Żagań produces snug and handy animal beds under the brands of its customers. Let's take a look at the manufacturing process. The work is preceded by consultations with the client. That's when the key product requirements are discussed. Some things have to be determined first: the animal for which the bed is made, the bed shape and its dimensions. Then it's time for fabric suggestions, including some special types such as waterproof fabric and pattern selection. The ideas worked out with the client come to life in the design department. Here, a template is made using special computer software. A design of the prints, the stitching, and appliques is created. Finally, a model bed is made to be assessed by the customer. After it's approved, the manufacturing process begins. The necessary materials are collected from the raw material warehouse. This is where all sorts of fabrics and accessories are stored: tapes, zippers, hems, care label, brand labels. We can now see the fabric being transferred to the cutting room. First, the fabric is layered, then it's cut with cutters. The process is fully automated and is characterized by high precision and fabric use optimization. Complete patterns are placed in baskets, where accessories are added, and it's all moved to the next stage. Before that, each element of the pattern has to be properly prepared. The handles and leather brand labels are sewn on, the zipper tape is cut, and the embroidery is applied. The sewing room is the heart of the entire plant. Combining the elements of the bed is done using sewing machines, such as overlock, lock stitch, and twin needle machines. The Bartex sewing room can create up to 40,000 beds a month. Meanwhile, the quilting department makes sure that your dog or cat will be able to have a snug nap. The bed covers are created in a fully automated process using quilting machines, which, using multiple rows of stitching, combine 3 different fabrics: the top, the wadding, and the backing. These cutting-edge devices offer a wide range of patterns to satisfy even the pickiest of our four-legged friends: diamonds, waves, circles, and many, many more. The final steps are completed in the finishing department. The covers delivered from the sewing rooms are labeled and filled with a special mix, ensuring that the bed will be soft and flexible. After they're packed, the beds are sent to all the EU countries, Canada, and the US. It's worth noting how much importance is given to environmental issues in the company. Waste fabric from the other part of the Bartex factory, which manufactures pillows and mattresses, gets fully recovered. Sorted into adequate batches, defibered and shredded in order to be turned into the bedding mix. It's up to 100 tons of fabric per year. However, what makes our pets the happiest are toys, which are made using scraps thanks to incorporating suitable forms into our dyes, approved by thousands of satisfied pets.